2. This is up? Yeah. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm back here with another video. How to make edible slime. First, you need some flour or cornstarch. Need your melted gummy bears with flour and your spoon, and your bowl. So, and if you want it to make a little bit more sugary, have to add sugar. Ow. Just like a tablespoon, a teaspoon of sugar. And then start mixing it up. Start mixing it into the the flour. And then as you mix, it will start getting less stickier. Unless, oh no, technical difficulties. Never mind. Keep on mixing it around with the flour. Mix it around with the flour and the sugar. Whip it if you can, boy. And then after that, look, there's still one gummy bear that hasn't melted. Well, he died. And then after that, you have to eat it. No. You do 3-pointer. Fail. Okay. Fail. That was a 1-pointer. And then you go in with your hands. And then your hands, you have to like cover it. It's slime. Oof. But then if it gets too sticky, put it back in the bowl. Collect some more corns. Collect some more of the flour. James, leave the phone and pour some flour into my hands.
Yeah.
Pour more. Pour it. Pour it. There. That's good.
Oh my god,
enough.
it got dirty.
Oh yeah. And then James is slime. It's slime, James. James, look, it's slime. And that's how you make edible slime. Cut the tape. Bye. Can I zoom out of this one? Press that thing. No, the other.
This?
No, the other one. The one in the middle.